morning, welcome back to Sweat Equity. We're over here at the equipment lot and we are getting ready to do some pretty intense stuff over here underneath the carport. I am going to have to clear out all the equipment that's underneath the carport, garage, whatever you want to call it, and move all this stuff around. We're going to lay 3 inches of asphalt this morning. It is 20 by 25 foot long, so we've got our work cut out for us. We got some equipment to pick up and some asphalt milling. So actually, this is going to be recycled first run asphalt. So we're going to get the asphalt picked up. We're going to truck it in, get the roller picked up, and start spreading it out. We'll see about doing a time lapse on actually laying it, and then I'll give you some overview and some tips on what we did right and what we did wrong. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, we are back here. We got the roller picked up. You got to forgive me, some of this video is not really going to be in order because, well, it's just me doing all this with one other guy. So I'm going to try to catch as much as I can. Let's get this thing unloaded. All right, so we're going to take the roller down here. We've got really hard soil underneath here, so I've been told that I shouldn't need any base layer for what we're doing. So I'm just going to bring it in here and I'm going to just compact everything that's already here. Got to pull up here and we got to put some Dawn dish soap in the bed. Stop that diesel, stop the asphalt from sticking. All right, guys. So we're back out here. Went and got a shower in, and just want to come check it out. But it's not bad. You know, some of the things that I'm thinking about this. You know, about the only thing a DIYer can't do is lay this stuff down perfectly level. Without the large machine to do that, it's just not really possible, especially when you're laying this big of an area. So we have roughly 4 to 6 inches. And as you can see right here, it's pretty thick, which is good. It's gonna last. But there are some low undulating areas. And that is just because of how big of a space it was and not having the large machine to lay it. So I'm happy though. I'm happy. The finish, the top looks really nice. Once it's all real cured, I'm going to spray it down and seal it. And I think that's gonna be great for now. I think it's gonna be just what we need for underneath here. I'm not mounting any post lifts or anything in here. It's just to have a solid surface for city codes. So I think it'll help with that and help with dust, and it'll be a nice area to work in. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you keep watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see something different or see some more of some stuff you've already seen, let us know. Thanks for watching.